Hola. I am so sorry I could not be there today. However, you have a fabulous substitute teaching you today. So what we're going to be doing today is we are going to check our answers for the scavenger hunt. I know that you did not get to finish all of the stations, and that's okay. If you did not get to finish a station, just fill in the answers as we go. You're going to have a few options to do after we finish checking our answers, so I'll tell you about those in a moment. Okay, so how we're going to do this is we are going to start. You guys are going to repeat after me when we talk about the feature, the geographical feature, and then we're going to try something different. I'm going to ask you the question. I want you guys to tell the answer all together, following along with me. So let's give it a go. If you have the correct answers, awesome, great job. If you do not, no big deal, just change your answer. All right, here we go. Número uno, repitan, el volcán. Okay, so I'm gonna ask the question. You will respond with the answer. Here we go. ¿Cómo se llama? What is its name? All together. El volcán se llama Arenal. Okay, so if you got that right, great job. This was Arenal volcano. If not, change your answers. Okay, part B. I'll ask, you answer. ¿Dónde está? Where is it? All together. Está en el norte de Costa Rica. All right, yes, so it was in the north of Costa Rica. Hopefully you got that right. At any point, if you need the substitute to pause the video, just raise your hand so that she knows you need a little extra time. Okay, here we go. Número dos. Okay, repitan. La cascada. Okay, I'll ask, you answer. ¿Cómo se llama? All together. La cascada se llama Llanos de Cortés. So this was kind of a longer name, Llanos de Cortés. So if you have part of it, great. If you have all of it, even better. Okay, part B. ¿Dónde está? All together. Está en el norte de Costa Rica. So this waterfall was also in the north of Costa Rica. Okay, moving on to número tres. Here we go. Repitan, la playa. Good. Okay, part A. ¿Cómo se llama? All together. La playa se llama Playa Hermosa. So Playa Hermosa actually means beautiful beach because it's so beautiful. Okay, part B. ¿Dónde está? All together. Está en el oeste de Costa Rica. So this beach is in the west of Costa Rica. Okay, moving on. Número cuatro. Here we go. Repitan. El río. Part A. ¿Cómo se llama? All together. El río se llama Crocodile River. So this was an easier one because the name was in English, so hopefully you got that. Okay, part B. ¿Dónde está? Where is it? All together. Está en el oeste de Costa Rica. This was also in the west of Costa Rica, this river. Okay, so we are going to move on to the back. So flip over your paper, please. I'm going to zoom in here. Oh, this might be a little too close. Oh, nope, we're good. Okay, here we go. Número 5. Repitan las montañas. Okay, part A. ¿Cómo se llaman? All together. Las montañas se llaman Zarcero. Okay, so if you watched this video, it was actually a video of a beautiful city that is in the mountains. The city is on top of a mountain. So it was really nice. Okay, part B. ¿Dónde están? All together. Están en el sur de Costa Rica. So these mountains were in the south. So hopefully you got that. Okay, moving on. Número 6. Okay, this one was a tricky one. Uh-oh. Let's try that again. Hold on. Let's zoom in. What have I done here? Oh, okay. Sorry. Here we go. Okay. Número 6. Repitan el valle. Okay. So part A. ¿Cómo se llama? All together. El valle se llama Central Valley. So this gives you a hint about where it is. Part B, ¿dónde está? All together. Está en el centro de Costa Rica. This was a trick question. We have not learned centro. Many of you asked me about this one. You said, hey, it doesn't look like it's in the north, south, east, or west. Where is it? Centro means center, which is also, of course, what central means. So this was a trick. If you didn't get this one right, that's no big deal. Okay, number 7. Okay, oops, sorry about that. Here we go. Número 7. Los manglares. Okay, part A. ¿Cómo se llaman? All together. Los manglares se llaman mangrove forest. So this one was in English as well. Okay, part B. ¿Dónde está? All together. Está en el sur de Costa Rica. So these mangrove trees are in the south. Okay, moving on. Last but not least. Repitan la selva. Okay, part A. ¿Cómo se llama? All together, la selva se llama Arenal. Do we recognize that name? Yes, it's the same name as the volcano. So this rainforest and this volcano are all in the same place, which is why they have the same name. So we can assume that where it is going to be the same where the volcano is. Here we go. ¿Dónde está? All together. Está en el norte de Costa Rica. Okay, hopefully you got many or most or some of those answers correct. So now you have a few options. Your first option is that you can make sure you have all of your pictures drawn for each geographical feature. You can finish drawing them and then color them, make them look really nice. Option 2 is you can finish your word search from a couple weeks ago. You may or may not have finished it. Option 3 is you can finish any unfinished work you have in your Spanish folder, because we do move very quickly in here. So if you missed any Spanish classes, there's a chance you missed an activity. At the end of class, you may take your folders home with you with all of your work. And you can donate your folder if you want to. So, but if you don't want to, you can take it home with you. Okay, guys, I will see you very, very soon. Be good. I'm expecting a great report. Adios.